sit in a comfortable position or lie down if you prefer. Let your body feel supported, as though the earth beneath you is holding you gently. Close your eyes when you're ready. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and then exhale slowly. Allow your breath to flow naturally and easily. Notice any sensations in your body. Without judgment, observe how you feel in this moment. Let go of any tension you may be holding. Soften your face, your shoulders, your hands. Allow your body to relax more deeply with every breath. As you breathe in, feel the energy of the new year begin to fill your being. As you breathe out, release any lingering doubts or worries from the past. Visualize roots growing from the base of your spine and your feet, extending deep into the earth. Feel grounded and supported by the solid foundation beneath you. The energy of the earth connects with you, bringing you a sense of calm and balance. Take a few moments to reflect on the year that has passed. Without judgment, simply acknowledge the challenges, the growth, the lessons learned, and the moments of joy. See each experience as a stepping stone, a part of your journey. You've made it here, to this very moment, and that in itself is something to celebrate. Imagine each experience from the past year as a small, glowing light. Some lights may be dim, others bright, but all are part of your story. Thank them for what they have brought you, and gently release them as you turn your focus to the present. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine yourself stepping forward into the new year. See before you a path that stretches out ahead, bright, open, and full of possibility. With each inhale, feel the energy of the new year moving into you, filling you with hope and inspiration. With each exhale, release any limiting beliefs or fears about the future. You are free to create, to transform, to grow. As you stand on the threshold of this new year, take a moment to set your intentions. These are not goals or resolutions, but inner promises to yourself. What would you like to embrace this year? Peace and tranquility, courage to pursue your dreams, gratitude for each moment, clarity in your actions and decisions, connection to those around you. Visualize these intentions as glowing orbs of light radiating from your heart. See them expand and fill you with warmth, as if each intention is already manifesting. Feel the power of your desires as they align with the energy of the universe. Take a moment to imagine yourself in the future, at the end of this year, looking back at all that you've accomplished and experienced. What do you see? How do you feel? Are you proud of the person you've become? What lessons have you embraced? How has your heart expanded? Feel gratitude for this future self, knowing that each choice you make today will lead you to that version of yourself. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the energy of the new year filling your body, mind, and soul. Exhale, letting go of any remaining tension. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. As you continue through this new year, remember that you hold the power to create the life you desire. Every moment is an opportunity to move closer to the person you are meant to be. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, smile, knowing that this year is full of infinite possibilities. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful content. See you next time.